Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. Listen, I wanted to do a video on endurance athletes and ketosis. There's been this huge debate of should I do carbo loading when I exercise? Should I do high fat? There's a lot of confusion. There's a recent study by the Journal of Physiology that I put a link down below. It's fascinating actually. They compared doing a low carb, high fat with a high carb, low fat diet. And there was one other group too, which is kind of in between. But this is what they found. They found that these athletes burn 2.5 to 3 times more fat than the other group. That is significant. So they became fat-burning machines. Also, there was significantly lowered glycogen usage because the concern is that you're going to tap out your glycogen or sugar reserve and end up with fatigue and muscle weakness. But that did not happen. Now, the idea that energy only comes from carbohydrates is absolutely false. You don't need to do the carbo loading. Now, there were mixed reviews on some of the studies that showed that you're going to get better performance with higher carbohydrates. If you actually read the article, you're going to notice that a lot of these athletes did short-term ketosis. They were not fully keto adapted. If you're an athlete and you jump into this ketogenic diet too fast, you're not going to perform well because your cells have not adapted. So the study that I'm going to show you below, it revolves around athletes that have been doing it for over a year or more. So in the future, if you see some conflicting data, make sure you read the article and see if that athlete was really keto adapted over a longer period of time, not a short-term jump in after 1 month and see if they perform better. All right? Put your comments below. I want to know what you think. Hi guys, hey listen, I created a pretty amazing evaluation quiz down below that actually analyzes your symptoms to find the cause, the root cause of all of your symptoms, the most likely cause. So take the quiz now and we'll send you a report.